इसमें एक और चीज थी, एक्टर्स की आपने बात की, you know, that they become sort of heroes, celebrities. अभी हमारी, when we were sitting and we were having a conversation around nutrition, ठीक है ना? And so I'm connecting 2 or 3 things that you've said. You talk a lot about it's all about the money, ठीक है ना? You've said this on a couple of occasions.
Education.
And education, right? Yeah. You've said it in another podcast, you know, the financial part of this business is what drives it. ठीक है. Then you talked about we don't nurture the heroes that get developed. I want to link this to a little bit of advertising. हमारे यहाँ faces sell products. दुनिया भर में faces sell products. लेकिन हमारे यहाँ faces sell products a little bit more, I think, than the rest of the world because it's easier for a slightly illiterate population or less educated population to relate to a face than to relate to text and content. जब वो face अपना face एक तेल को लैंड करता है या ऐसे खाने पीने की चीज़ को लैंड करता है जो एक्चुअली आपकी न्यूट्रिशन के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, जो आपकी सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, तो isn't it do you think it is the responsibility of, let's say, the acting community to take care of where they're placing their face and not just think about the money every time? Because I understand that this is a difficult country to live in. यहाँ पे हर बंदा सोचता है कि यार थोड़े पैसे कमा लें क्योंकि कल पता नहीं डॉलर कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा. But at the same time, अगर आपकी एक पब्लिक फेस है तो साथ में आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, क्योंकि आपके हर लव्स को, हर एक्शन को लोग फॉलो करते हैं. और तेल के कमर्शियल्स पे आप दिखाना कि जी ममता और तेल जो है, मतलब तेल तो सबको पता है आपको हार्ट अटैक देता है, सीधी सी बात है. इट्स एज बैड एज सिगरेट्स, यू नो. शुगर, इसी तरह शुगर प्रोडक्ट्स, आप चाहे कन्फेक्शनरी बेच रहे हैं, कुकीज बेच रहे हैं, जो भी है, यू नो. बट हाउ is that a responsibility? Should we skip it because हालात मुल्क के इतने ख़राब हैं कि यार कहीं से पैसे आ रहे उठा लो.
आई थिंक जितने पैसे आते हैं तो बहुत, जैसे आपका एक कमर्शियल जो है, हमारे अब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में लिखा हुआ होता है कि अगर आपको एक कमर्शियल मिल रहा है तो दे गेट अ वीक ऑफ. So we have to reschedule the whole thing because they know that what they are getting from a commercial is probably the entire amount they're getting on this play. So then you can't really say anything.
So it is sort of subsidizing it in a sense. You're basically subsidizing the actor by letting them get into commercials. और जो commercial चल रहे हैं वो यही चल रहे हैं, जो मैंने बात की है.
Because हमारे हैं ही कितने, घी एक है, फिर मक्खन होगा, फिर चाय होगी,
चीनी भरी शरबतें हैं, मशरूबात हैं, घी है और आटा है, और
ये these are the giants in the,
और बस अब सिगरेट होता था लेकिन उसकी एडवर्टाइजिंग रोक दी.
So the other thing which I'll talk about advertising की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, the thing that I found the funniest is people who are advertising for hair transplants, and these are also actors. And I'm thinking, nowhere in the world have I ever seen an actor saying that I'm actually bald and this
the money must be really good.
So you know,
and
that
it must be in dollars.
To me that was absolutely, and no disrespect to that, right. You know, like I think it's very brave of them to do something like that, but nowhere in the world have I seen that. I've only seen that in Pakistan. I mean, 100% sure Shah Rukh Khan and all these big wigs in India, or maybe, you know, I'm sure they all have sort of hair issues and all, but nowhere in the world do you see that. But we have at least 3 or 4 big names in Pakistan who are advertising for hair transplant and whatever the other stuff is. So, you know, it's, I think if we were paid for one serial that could sustain us for 2 years, say, or maybe even a year, कि एक करें आराम से, आप बैठें, फिर आपको कुछ सोचने के, आपको पता है next year तो बने because there is a dearth of actors, then maybe it would, the narrative would be different.
So better compensation leads to better choices.
I think so.